Hi, crawl space. Not the most fun place to be. I certainly don't like being in a crawl space. And legally, if you're going to be down there and you're an employer like myself, you'd want to have a buddy system whenever possible, because some people would consider the crawl space to be a confined space. Always go with the buddy system, which is why it costs a bit more to have an investigation and discovery for moisture in your crawl space done, because it does require 2 technicians ideally. What else could be done in a crawl space? A very thorough investigation of the plumbing. Light it up like a Christmas tree and have someone in the house flushing toilets, running water, and have the person in there documenting all the areas where there might see some leaks, some drips, corrosion. A good quality investigation of the crawl space is ideal for keeping your home in top performance. Keep these tips in mind. Smash that like button. We'll see you again.